A beautiful day with Farzana Ali and Noor Waleed. She's co-founder of Flavor Boom Creamery. आज हम नूर से पूछेंगे कि वो क्या magic pill थी that she came into the world of entrepreneur. Noor, I have just heard and I have gone through your profile where you have written that there's no magic pill that launches you out of your confinement and put you into the world of free world of entrepreneurship. So how did you come into the world of entrepreneurship?
So basically, I've always seen, even when I was younger, so I've always seen my mom do something. कुछ ना कुछ मामा अपना कुछ ना कुछ कर रही होती थी पहले. like we had Zinwa, तो उसकी bakery कर रही थी. And तो I think I got inspired by her, and all we're 3 siblings, and all of us, we all started baking at a very young age. So I think I got that from her कि I always like to bake and make new stuff and try to cook and all. So and then we just basically I like sweets, I like desserts and all. So every time we would go for desserts and all, तो मैंने एक चीज़ notice की that there are not a lot of variety in flavors we get over here, and most of them they can't. How I started Flavor Boom with my brother was कि जो आपको mostly जो ice creams मिल रही होती हैं, they have they're very powdery सी, एक उनमें consistency होती है because they have gelatin and all. So I think seeing that we thought कि we want to make something which is very natural and all. So बस वैसे that's how from seeing all of that, how people are actually naming their products ice creams up actually they're frozen desserts. So I think seeing that, we just wanted to bring something new.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. As you said that we can't find variety of flavors here, so you started working with it. Since in your conversation you just mentioned your brother is also working with you, and I know there is a sibling fight and sibling jealousy, and you are in very young age. So how this do work?
So basically, I've always, all 3 of us, we've always had a very close bond. तो luckily वरना तो जैसे होती है छोटी मोटी लड़ाई और सारा कुछ पर in this we've never ever had that. Whenever there is an event coming up or we get approached by someone or there are orders or anything, so we have a group chat. And we always message on that, and then we meet and we discuss it first. So if one of us says no, then we won't go ahead with it. But we sit and we discuss each and everything. We budget it out, and हम लोग सारा कुछ देख के we make a proper diagram step by step कि हमने पहले क्या करना है और सारा कुछ, and then that's how we go ahead with it. So I think because
how this business is working now. How many opportunities are there, and what are the challenges that you are facing?
So basically, I think that being a new, being a new brand over here, a new company over here in Lahore, the challenges that we face are when we go on events, mashallah, our events are very nice. We break even, we even make profit, and they're very nice, everything. But then when it comes to, since we're home based, we don't actually have an outlet anywhere right now, because it's a small thing right now. So the biggest issue that we face is कि जब हमें कोई message करता है कि we want to order the ice cream, so they ask us that where can we try it first. So I tell them that it's home based. So obviously, I think the biggest issue is that people are very hesitant to order from a new place. When जबकि जिन्होंने हमसे events पे try की होती है, they order from us quite often. They order because they know how it is. But then the people who haven't tried us yet, they're hesitant in ordering because it's a new place. And honestly, I feel as if they're not wrong, because I would also be very hesitant to order from some place जिसका मैंने try नहीं किया हुआ. So I think the biggest issue, the biggest challenge,
that you have to earn the name in the market.
बिल्कुल. जैसे events में हमारा है, लाहौर पोलो वालों के साथ भी है, लाहौर ईद, कुक फेस्ट, हरियाली, इन सारों के साथ है. So because we've been doing events with them, but then online it's very hard.
So, Noor, you're studying digital art and
Yes.
cinema too. So, how did you get into the world of digital art and cinema?
So I actually I've always liked documentaries since I was young. I used to watch documentaries and all. तो मेरा बस एक वैसी शुरू से मुझे एक शौक था कि I wanted to come towards media and like you know produce my own like you know produce something of my own. So then I got admission into this and I'm doing my film and digital art from UCA and they have a satellite campus over here in Phase 6 Roots. So I'm doing it from there क्योंकि it's very nice. They give you a very hands-on experience. So अभी तक we've made 2 documentaries and all. So I've always wanted to like you know show all the issues that are happening around over here. क्योंकि I feel as if there are a lot of issues which aren't covered, especially जो हमारे यहाँ पे slum areas हैं. They aren't covered. So I wanted to show like you know show everyone what's actually going around over there.
So, do you see yourself excelling in the world of digital art?
I hope so. I mean, I want to. This is something I want to do in the future.
What are your future goals? Where do you see yourself?
In the future, I see myself as a producer. Maybe. I mean, it all depends where it all goes. But abhi to that's the plan.
And how long it will take to make you to become a producer?
I think it's going to take a while. Abhi to it's just the start. This is a very long way. There's a
So
very
my
long
prayers
way
are
to
with
go.
you.
Thank
So,
you
Noor,
so
you're a strong mompreneur too. So you're studying, you're doing business, you're a mompreneur. How do you keep balance between all these things all together?
So I think you just need to like you know you just need to know what's important. You need to prioritize your things and all and everything. So I just see कि क्या routine है मतलब like you know what the schedule is. So I plan everything accordingly.
Because I see you go yourself to give pick and drop to your daughter.
Yeah.
And you're very concerned about that, and you
Thank
just go at least 15 minutes before that, you know, her off time. And similarly the business and the studies too. So I really salute you over here. Any message that you want to give to the youth of your age?
I just think as if there's something which you really want to do, you should do it. क्योंकि one way or the other कोई ना कोई like you know रास्ता निकल आएगा बीच में से. So मतलब you should like I really wanted to do this. So like media, and when I started initially I was like I used to think that you know maybe I came in the wrong field because शुरू में मेरा interest इतना develop नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि I think I just wanted to get straight to the point where like you know मतलब they would make us we would film documentaries and all. But then I realized that obviously to get what you want and to be where you like you know to get where you want to be, it's not a easy or a small route. It takes long. So you just have to be patient.
Thank you very much.
Thank
It
you.
was such a beautiful conversation, and I hope कि आपकी youth इस तरह काम करेगी जैसे
Thank you
Noor
so
करे.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.